Good afternoon, Esly.
What's up, Ryan?
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good. I heard you're gonna go jump out of an airplane today.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Awesome. Is that why they got you in that fancy harness?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Is there any special reason for jumping today?
Just can say cumpliendo sueños.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You got anybody out here with you to celebrate?
Yeah, it's Devin and I just.
What up, guys? They're busy. Well, here in a few minutes, we'll head out to the airplane, fly all the way up to 13,500 feet, jump out of that airplane, and they'll be free falling back towards the ground at over 120 miles an hour.
Awesome.
You ready to go have some fun?
Yeah.
Let's do it, bud. Welcome back, my friend. Here, we'll get these lines off of you. Tell me, what went through your mind when you first jumped out of that airplane?
Look at my hair.
Your hair looks great, dude.
Man, I feel great. I feel great. I will do it again.
Again and again?
Again.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Great job. What do you think was your
fun.
favorite part? Free fall, the parachute?
Free fall.
Free fall?
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah. I like it.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. We hope to see you again.